Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is my 77th algorithm video. In this task we are given a string and we need to change the complete string to either uppercase or lowercase depending upon the case for the first character. If the first character in the string, in this case it is lowercase, then the new string would contain the alphabets of the string but in lowercase. However, if the first letter of the string was uppercase, then the new string would contain alphabets of the string but in uppercase. So let's make the algorithm. If string 0, meaning we would be checking if the first character is lower. Now is lower function of a Python returns a boolean value of either true or false. It evaluates whether all the characters of a string are lowercase, and if all the characters in the string are lowercase, then it returns true, otherwise it returns false. So we are saying to check whether the first character is it lower, then new string would be plus string dot lower. Now lower function of Python converts all the alphabets of the string to lowercase. Else, if the first character is not lower, if for example the first character was a capital one, then this value would return false. The first character would not be lower, so it would return false. Then we would do new string is equal to new string plus string dot upper. The upper function of Python converts all the alphabets of the string to uppercase. So if I print new string, so yes, since the first alphabet is uppercase, so the new string contains the alphabets of the string but in uppercase. Now if I change the first character to A, which is a smaller lowercase, then the new string would be ABCD. All the alphabets of the string have been converted to lowercase. I hope you like my video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.